guys, how's it going? Welcome back. So we're back to the Marshall amp again. Stay tuned for some more videos. I'm testing each one of my electric guitars with this amp, so you get an idea of different guitars, different pickups too. Plus, of course, I have guitars that don't have stock stuff. The only thing that's not stock about this guitar, and this is my Epiphone SG, is I changed the tuning keys out for tulip chromed keys, and I took out the plastic knobs and put on metal knobs. This does have coil tappers, but we're only using the humbucker mode for this. And we'll go between bridge, the middle position, and of course the neck. So clean and dirty stuff. So let's start with a clean tone. Epiphone Pro Classic pickups that are in this thing. Like I said, they can coil split, but we're not going to do that. Nice and clean. So over to the clean channel's crunch channel. This gets a little loud. Okay, that's that channel. Neighbors are home, so I don't want to drive them too nuts. So this is the overdrive channel, overdrive number 1. Computer to record the video, as well as the audio is being picked up by my Apex 555 mic, which is about 5 feet away from the amp. So even my voice for talking will be a little lower, so you might want to raise your volume for any time I talk in these videos that are going to be happening. And the only effect I'm using is reverb that's built into the amp. Doesn't do anything. Overdrive 2. Love the SG, man. Really do. Great guitar. Alright, so that concludes this video. Stay tuned for more videos coming up on this great amp. And we'll see how the other guitars sound. We're up to doing strats and tellies next.